Are you drowning in debt despite working hard? Feeling like your money disappears faster than you can earn it? This isn't a failure. It's a sign you might be trapped in harmful money habits. Stop the cycle now. Discover the hidden pitfalls holding you back. This isn't just about budgeting. It's about understanding the psychology behind your spending. Uncover the specific money habits keeping you poor, and learn actionable strategies for immediate change. Gain control of your finances and build a brighter future. You deserve financial freedom. Let's get you there. We live in a world obsessed with instant gratification, making it easy to fall into harmful financial patterns. Debt, overspending, and missed savings opportunities are common struggles. These aren't just financial issues. They're often rooted in deeper psychological tendencies. Understanding these patterns is crucial for breaking free. Imagine consistently paying more in interest than you save. That's a common consequence of poor money habits. Today, we explore the core concepts: budgeting, saving, investing, and the psychology of spending. These foundational elements are the keys to unlocking financial well-being. By understanding these basics, you'll be empowered to make informed decisions and build a solid financial future. Unlock your financial potential. Understanding money habits is key. Subscribe now and join the discussion. Your feedback and comments are invaluable. Let's learn together and build a stronger financial future. Start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. Understanding your spending patterns is the first step. Track your expenses for a month. Note recurring purchases, impulse buys, and areas where you consistently overspend. This creates awareness. Common questions include: how do I stop impulse buys? The answer lies in recognizing triggers. Are you buying when stressed? Bored? Understanding your emotional connections to spending is key. Develop a budget. This isn't about deprivation, it's about control. Allocate funds for needs, wants, and savings. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet. Small changes compound over time. Consider a no-spend day each week to limit impulse buys. What about saving? Start small. Even $10 a week adds up. Automate transfers to a savings account. Finally, consider investing. Small, consistent investments grow over time. Don't let fear paralyze you. Research different options and start with what feels comfortable. These practical steps are the foundation of financial freedom. Imagine this: you're nearing retirement and your savings are dwindling. You've worked hard your whole life, but now you're facing a stark reality. Years of seemingly small spending habits have eroded your nest egg. This is a pivotal moment. Ignoring this problem will only compound the issue. The turning point is now. Consider the scenario of a friend who consistently spends beyond their means. They enjoy a lavish lifestyle, but their financial health deteriorates with each purchase. This pattern leads to debt and anxiety. The urgency is clear. You need to understand your money habits. Are you unknowingly repeating this cycle? The problem isn't just about budgeting. It's about recognizing the underlying psychological drivers behind your spending. Are you reacting to emotions or pressures? What are your financial goals? Understanding your why is crucial. The next step is taking control. The time for change is now. Don't let another year pass without addressing these critical money habits. Let's break down some common money traps. One key habit is impulsive spending. Think about that new gadget you saw advertised. The urge to buy it is strong, but is it truly a need? Often, these purchases are driven by emotions, not rational thought. Consider the concept of opportunity cost. The money spent on that item could have been invested, saving you significantly more in the long run. Another frequent culprit is living beyond your means. Social pressure can influence spending habits. Comparing your lifestyle to others can lead to unnecessary debt. Studies show that social comparison often fuels dissatisfaction and financial stress. The solution? Create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Prioritize needs over wants. Start small. Even reducing one non-essential expense can make a difference. A crucial component is understanding your values. What truly matters to you? Align your spending with your values. This helps you avoid impulsive purchases that don't align with your goals. Finally, consider the power of saving and investing. Small, consistent contributions can yield significant returns over time. Automate savings to ensure consistency. The earlier you start, the better. Now let's tackle the practical application. Suppose you consistently overspend on dining out. A strategy is to cook at home more often. This dramatically reduces dining expenses. You could also create a treat budget for occasional outings. The challenge is often maintaining discipline. One strategy is to visualize your financial goals. Imagine the freedom of not worrying about money. This positive visualization can motivate you to stick to your plan. Another common challenge is dealing with unexpected expenses. Build an emergency fund. This fund acts as a safety net, preventing financial crises from derailing your progress. How much should you save? A good rule of thumb is 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Another obstacle is lack of knowledge about investments. Seek guidance from a financial advisor. They can help you understand different investment options and tailor a strategy to your needs and risk tolerance. Remember, building good financial habits takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and adjust your strategies as needed. Consistency is key. Beyond basic budgeting, consider behavioral finance. This field explores how psychology impacts financial decisions. For instance, anchoring bias, relying too heavily on the first piece of information received, can lead to poor investment choices. Understanding these biases is crucial for making rational decisions. Consider a case study of someone who inherited a large sum. They initially invested it in high-risk options, driven by the desire for quick gains. This often leads to significant losses. A more strategic approach would involve diversifying investments and consulting a financial advisor. Another advanced strategy is mindful spending. Pause before making a purchase. Ask yourself, is this truly a need or a want? This simple practice can significantly reduce impulsive spending. Consider the impact of social media on spending habits. Constantly seeing curated lifestyles can trigger unnecessary purchases. Limit social media exposure to avoid this influence. Finally, consider the power of delayed gratification. Learning to resist immediate pleasures for future rewards is crucial for long-term financial success. By incorporating these advanced strategies, you can significantly improve your financial well-being. Research consistently shows that poor money habits significantly impact overall well-being. Financial stress is linked to higher rates of anxiety and depression. A 2020 study by the American Psychological Association found a strong correlation between financial insecurity and mental health issues. This underscores the real-world implications of understanding these habits. Consider a small business owner struggling with debt. Their inability to manage expenses effectively threatens their livelihood and impacts their family. This isn't an isolated case, it's a common pattern. Experts emphasize the importance of early financial literacy. Children taught sound financial principles are better equipped to avoid common pitfalls. Financial education in schools could significantly reduce the prevalence of poor money habits. Data reveals that individuals with strong financial literacy skills tend to have higher net worths and reduced financial stress. This highlights the crucial role of knowledge in achieving financial security. The real-world impact is clear. Understanding money habits can lead to greater financial stability and improved mental health. Ignorance is not bliss. It's a recipe for financial hardship. Now, let's address any lingering questions. A common concern is, how do I change deeply ingrained habits? It's not about overnight transformations. It's about small, consistent changes. Think of it like building a muscle. You don't get ripped overnight. It takes consistent effort. Financial habits are the same. Experts suggest starting with a 30-day challenge. Focus on 1 or 2 habits at a time. For example, track your spending for 30 days. You might be surprised at how much you're spending on things you don't need. Another frequent question is, what if I'm already deep in debt? It's never too late to start. Create a debt repayment plan. Prioritize high-interest debts. Even small payments make a difference. Did you know that the average American household has around $9,000 in credit card debt? This highlights the prevalence of the issue. A financial advisor can help you create a realistic plan. Remember, understanding these habits is the first step towards change. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Are there any specific concerns you have about your own money habits? Let's discuss them in the comments. We've explored how money habits shape our financial future. Key takeaways: impulsive spending, living beyond means, and ignoring savings are common pitfalls. Understanding these habits is the first step to change. Actionable next steps: track your spending, create a realistic budget, and start automating savings. Even small changes compound over time. Imagine the freedom of financial security. You deserve it. The benefits are substantial. Reduced stress, greater control over your finances, and the ability to pursue your dreams. Ready to take control? Share your biggest financial challenge in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Subscribe and join the conversation. Ultimately, understanding money habits isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding ourselves. It's about recognizing the patterns that might be holding us back from achieving our financial goals. We've learned that financial well-being is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process of continuous learning and improvement. Don't be afraid to seek advice, ask questions, and adjust your strategies along the way. Remember, every small step forward counts. Your financial future is within your reach. Take the first step today. What's one actionable step you'll take to improve your money habits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation and support each other on this path to financial freedom. Stay tuned for more insightful content on personal finance.